Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change language and currency settings on eBay. So before we start, I would like to mention that there are no direct options how you can change language and currency settings on eBay. So instead you want to change your region or country, and just then there will be some changes. So let me show you. Open eBay application on your device and then navigate to my eBay section that is located at the bottom side of the screen. Then go to your settings, and here you should see in the general section you see country and region. Tap on it and let's change, for example, to Spain. And when we go to our home page, you see that here I have some words in Spanish also here, but you see that my interface is still in English. So as I have mentioned earlier, there is no direct option how you can change the language. And also when talking about currency, you see that prices are now in the different currencies. So it's not dollars, instead it is currency that is in Spain, it's euros. Yes, so basically you need to change your country. So that's how you can change language, at least some parts, and currency settings on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.